even powerful congressmen will be investigated.
Yes!
Kiko Barsaga, love him or hate him, why is he being talked about? Kiko Barsaga is engaging with the public what politicians like to call as shock politics.
Sino dadating? Si Pope. Gusto ko tawagan na. Pope ka umuwi.
This was done by President Rodrigo Duterte many times in the past, not to directly insult the Pope, but to get the attention of the people and to expose a bigger issue. So ano nga bang ginagawa ni Kiko Barsaga? Ba't ang ingay-ingay niya? A lot of people think he's weird. A lot of people think he's a genius. So let's break it down. The Overton window is a concept coined by Joseph Overton. Pag-usapan natin, ginagawa ni Kiko Barsaga is he says the unthinkable. Things that you wouldn't say as a typical Filipino dahil pinalaki nga tayong magalang, dapat hindi bastos,
Kang bastos!
Yun yung tradisyon, wag mong questionin. So what Kiko Barsaga is doing is he says the unthinkable.
May pending meeting ako with Speaker Romualdez, kakausapin mo siya. So gusto kong sabihin sa kanya, "Hoy, bye-bye. Bye-bye, crocodile." Tapos, si BBM naman, nisip ko, oy, baka protektahan niya si Romualdez. So, kinalaban ko na din si BBM.
He says the most outrageous things that you wouldn't think about as a typical politician. As soon as he gets your attention, he says the things that make sense.
Singapore cannot make a perfect government, then what hope do we have?
Masakit naman nun.
I mean, ganun talaga. Tingnan mo, ang ganda-ganda na sa mga, yung sa mga European governments, in Singapore, pero kahit papaano, may konting corruption pa rin doon. Eh sa atin, parang alam mo yung stage 1 lang yung cancer nila. Sa atin, stage 4 na. Tapos may tuberculosis pa. Tapos may heart condition pa.
Ganun kalala ang sakit ng Pilipinas.
Tapos putol pa yung paa. Tapos may diabetes pa. Tapos kailangan pa magpa-dialysis.
Napakamalas naman natin.
That's the system. We can't fight Marcos and Romualdez without risking our lives.
Since Kiko Barsaga opened this door of new bravery and new kind of questioning, suddenly the other politicians are now challenged to do the same, which makes his strategy quite effective.
Pagsalita ka, parang galing-galing mo na. Wala ka pang kaalam-alam dito sa mundo. Bata ka pa, musmus ka pa.
Because the public has been exposed to this extreme, suddenly things become acceptable, debatable, and eventually becomes the norm. And over time, what was once radical has now become acceptable. So, alam mong effective na politician si Kiko Barsaga because he challenged the norm, he asked hard questions, he made people think.
It's good that we investigate and we judge all of our House members. And that is why I also started a call for investigation Martin Romualdez and Zaldico, because everyone else is getting investigated. All the DPWH officials, all the small-time contractors, they're being investigated, but no one has said the name of Martin Romualdez.
Minsan yung mga shocking sa mga tao at sa mga politiko, pag na-mention na, hindi na siya magiging super shocking. So, meron ka lang maliit na window kung saan mo pwede siyang isulpot sa isang argumento o debate. Over time, it becomes like a normal discussion. So, itong ginagawa ni Kiko Barsaga, it is opening the consciousness of the general public. Gusto ko din yung approach ni Kiko. He is not attacking the people in politics itself. He is attacking their ideologies and where they stand in their policies. Kiko Barsaga actually widens the conversation, not to what we think is just typical political talk, but actually goes up a level in the discourse and the discussion between people. Barsaga in real time is testing the Filipino public and testing the Filipino stage if it is ready for sophisticated public discourse and not personality politics. And that is what I think is genius about him.